Big shout out to this guy. Thank you so much, Blake. Oh, yeah, always. Hey, boy got me on everything from cars to bikes. So if you guys didn't know, this is my bike. It's a KTM 125. What year is this? A 99, right? Yeah. It's a 99. It's got a few little things here and there. I think like it's slightly ported. There's an aftermarket ECU on it. Few bells and whistles. It's a nice bike. Had this bike for a year and I have not ridden it yet. I've actually never heard this bike run in person. So finally got the parts in. Huge shout out to Millennium Technologies. I'll link them down below. If you guys do get anything, let them know I sent you, please. But they did a really good job plating the cylinder. I'm gonna put this back down so I don't drop it. Blake's setting up everything right now, getting it right for us to put it on, and I guess we're gonna go get some gas and run it. There's actually some other stuff I could be doing, but as you can see, I'm at work. It's slow today. And it's really slow today. So
yeah, we got clutch kickers this weekend.
Yeah, we got clutch kickers tomorrow too. Yeah, a lot to do. So figured, why not take the toys? You feel me? It's the end of the year. You got to do it right. So we're gonna take my bike and Blake's bike and maybe do some riding Sunday after we get out of the clutch kickers, because I think they end at 3. So we'll already have the bikes in the truck. We could just go hit something after we're done. But let's go ahead and get this sorted, get caught up on. I kind of want to pay attention because I don't have any idea what he's doing. But yeah, we'll get the bike situated and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Damn, this thing is clean. Everything's done up. But all right, time to put the, actually I'm gonna wipe this off a little bit first. All right, finally all together.
Sorry, you're gonna wanna. Damn.
Oh shit. She's on.
Yeah, I think the carburetor needs cleaning.
Okay.
But she fresh, old gas, about a year old, running on it.
Damn. Appreciate you, homie.
Yep.
All right. Well, I'll get back to you guys in a minute.